my new router has arrived. This is an upgrade from a very old router which I have, which is a Tenda model, and this is an Asus RT-AC66U. This is a Wi-Fi 5 and not a Wi-Fi 6, but we will be doing its unboxing soon. I have kept it outside due to COVID. I have removed the outer cover, and this is RT-AC66U B1 model. So in RT-66U B1 you get, I think, two hardware versions. I have got the B2 version, which is the latest, and when I check the manufacturing date or year, it is manufactured in June 2020. So this is the latest piece of hardware. You can see the model number, hardware version, firmware version, and the year of manufacture. As you can read here, it uses 128 MB flash and 256 MB RAM, DRAM 3, and so you can try third-party firmware on this router. I had actually planned on getting AC-59U version 2. However, after waiting for almost 2 months, I gave up on that and got this one instead. So you can see the specifications. One of the problems that I have with this router is it is using a 19 volt 1.75 ampere DC adapter. That was a problem because I cannot use the router UPSs currently available in the market. So I made a DC-DC step-up converter for this, and I will experiment that soon. This router has air mesh enabled, and it gives you 1750 Mbps theoretical speed, and it supports two USB ports, one 3.0 and 2.0. It has AI radar, beamforming, and AI cloud support. So I got it for around 7K, and it's a pretty good deal compared to the other routers around. You also get 3 years warranty. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have the Asus router, few user manuals, quick start guide, and warranty notice. There's a power adapter, converter to Indian plugs, you have another adapter, there's even more of this, and a LAN cable. Oh, I got one more. Takes a few seconds for this router to boot up. You can see the power LED, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, the internet connectivity, and the 4 ports LEDs. The antennas are non-removable. There is a USB port behind this router, one LAN port and one WAN port and 4 LAN ports. There's a USB 3.0 in the front panel. Before we conclude, I wanted to take you through the router UI. As a few things are very interesting in this router. As you can see, this router supports wireless router mode, access point, repeater, and a WDS and air mesh node. I found another interesting option to share my dongle or the phone internet to be used in this router. Let me go to the firmware page now. You can update the firmware online by checking here, or you can just upload it via using a file. You can also save the settings of this router, all the settings which you have done, to a local file so that you can restore it later. Another interesting option is USB application. There are tons of settings in this. You can use a USB disk to share over FTP or Samba. You can also attach a 3G, 4G phone. There are several other options. I am not sure what all of them are, but there are a lot of options. The WAN settings, there is a option for enabling dual WAN. So if you have two WAN networks, you can configure it, and one can fall back in case the first one fails. So currently I have configured use WAN from my mobile phone. So my mobile phone is tethered to the USB, and that internet is used across all my devices. You can see it has AI protection and adaptive QoS, also administration page. If you want to set up the router real quick, you can go to the quick setup page, and you can start setting up the router from here. Thank you guys. Bye bye.